Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to this session after summer vacation. You know why we are conducting online classes? Due to COVID-19 pandemic condition. Yes, government is giving many tips to improve your immune power. Better all of you try to take amla, lemon, then ginger, garlic every day along with nutritious food to improve your immune power. Stay safe. Yes, let us begin chapter 3, fiber to fabric. Yes, in this topic today we are going to see introduction, types of fibers, cotton, jute, and I am going to give you assignment also. In the next class we can discuss about those questions. Okay. Yes, introduction. Fiber. What is a fiber? A narrow tube-like structure obtained from plant or animal. You can see in this diagram also. Yarn. Yarn is a long thread obtained by pressing and twisting a bunch of fibers. So first you should know what is a fiber. Fiber is a tube-like structure. Very thin strand. That is only fiber. We are getting or obtained fibers from plants and animals. Okay, long strand of threads, that is only called what? Yarn. Next, fabric. Fabric is nothing but a piece of cloth. You might have seen in tailor shop, after cutting they used to throw some cloth. Better you go nearby tailor shop, if possible collect some cloth and touch and feel the different varieties. A piece of cloth made by weaving or knitting yarn or threads. Yes, nearby tailor shop means if they are not affected by corona, you go and get it. Otherwise, from your house, ask your mother different types of saris. You can touch and feel. Okay, so what is fabric? Fabric is a piece of cloth. Then cloth. It is made from different types of fabric. Okay, types of fibers. You know fiber two types, mainly natural and man-made fiber. Natural fiber are of two types, plant fiber and animal fiber. Under plant fiber, we can say mainly we are getting fibers from cotton, jute and flax. Under animal fiber, mainly we are getting wool and silk. Wool from what animal? Goat, sheep, okay, the animals which are living in very cold areas, ice cold areas, because they used to have more skin on their body, more hair on their skin. From that we are getting. Then silk, you know, silk worm. For getting one silk sari, more thousands of silk worms are killed. Okay, so there are two natural fibers, plant fiber and animal fiber. Plant fiber mainly cotton and jute, then flax also. Animal fiber is wool and silk. Then man-made fiber, or we can say artificial fiber. It is made by man with the help of chemicals, or artificial we can say with some material. Example, nylon, polyester, polythene, then polypropylene, then rayon, many things we can say. Here the flow chart is also given, in a diagrammatic way also given. Types of fiber. What are the two types? Mainly natural and artificial or man-made. Natural fiber mainly obtained from plants and animals. Example what? Silk, wool, cotton, jute. You can see the silk sarees are kept. Then woolen sweater. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers made by human being by using chemicals and other materials. Example, nylon, acrylic, terylene. You can see in the diagram also. Polyester, acrylic is shown, nylon. Okay, all these are made up of chemicals artificially made by man. Cotton plant. Cotton is a natural plant fiber. Many of you know, in village area, cotton plant they used to cultivate in their field. If possible, try to bring, we can see the flower, fruit, etc. Okay. Yes, usually the cotton, where it will grow? Mostly in black soil, warm climate with plenty of rainfall, it grow well. Okay, then cotton fibers are obtained from cotton ball, B-O-L-L, not B-A. Okay, cotton ball is nothing but cotton fruit. On maturing, cotton balls are burst, okay, or picked from cotton field. Okay, it burst open and exposing white cotton fibers. Then inside that seed uh, is also present. How can we remove that seed from the fiber? With the help of a comb. Ordinary comb, you know, here using steel comb. Okay, cotton fibers are separated from the seeds. That process is called what? Ginning. Ginning factory you might have heard. They used to remove the seeds from the fibers. Then the cotton becomes fluffier, can be easily spun into fabric. That is a cloth. Cotton fibers are twisted to form cotton yarn. Already we saw fiber is a small thread-like structure. Then when it becomes a long thread, then we can say yarn. How it is made? By spinning. Okay. Here cotton plant, then pillow cotton is filled inside the pillow, then cotton towel. Cotton mostly produced in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Mostly the cotton is used for making wick. I think you know what is wick. We used to put in lamp, pillow, inside the pillow, then cotton beds, clothes. Okay, here you can see cotton is used for what are the purposes. Okay, yes. Jute. Jute is also a natural plant fiber. It is the cheapest natural plant fiber obtained from the stem of the jute plant. See, in cotton we are getting cotton fiber from cotton ball, cotton fruit. Like that way, jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. The stem of the jute plant should be cut before maturity of the plant. Okay, in the flowering condition, the stem should be cut. That is only, it is harvested when it is flowering. Then the stem of the jute plant soaked inside the water for few days before maturity. Then now the stem rot. If you are keeping anything inside the water for a long time, what would happen? Rotting smell. And fibers are separated from them by hand. This process is called retting. You can see in the picture. Jute fibers are dried and tied into small bundles. These bundles are sent to the factory and spun into yarn. Yarn is a long thread. Okay, jute plants grow well in warm and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. In India, mainly West Bengal, Assam, Orissa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Tripura and Meghalaya produces jute. Already you know, some of you also bringing jute bag, then jute mat, rope, carpet, curtains. You can see here shoes, then even the necklace, okay, stud, many things we can make with the help of jute. That is the uses of jute. Yes, now we can see some questions. Students, see the question. Name two natural plant fiber. What are the two natural plant fiber? Cotton and jute. Name two natural animal fibers. Wool and silk. Which part of cotton plant is used to obtain cotton fiber? Cotton ball or cotton fruit? Name the process by which cotton seeds are removed from cotton fibers. Seeds are removed from cotton fibers. By what process? Ginning. Name two synthetic fibers. Nylon and acrylic. Then hearts. What is hearts? Higher order thinking skill. Already you wrote many PISA tests. Yes. What is PISA? Performance index of students assessment. Okay. Here one question is given. Find out the answer. Tomorrow we can discuss. Thank you.